Hello, my name's Monzi. I'm 18. I was born in June, which can't even talk, which makes me a Gemini. So I'm a two-faced, but I'm not. But welcome to my channel. I am bored and I've always wanted to start my YouTube channel, but I never really got the courage to because I am very, like paranoid, and I'm like, what if people don't like me, or like very self-conscious and all that stuff, and I'm like, who cares, right? So welcome to my channel. I don't know what I'm gonna do in this channel. I could try to do makeup looks. Definitely not nail tutorials, because look at my crusty nails, they nasty. I could try to make hair tutorials. I try to do this. It kind of looks good, but it kind of looks bad. I don't know. I said makeup, I said hair. I can do DIYs. I can try to paint, Bob Ross. I could try to sing. I doubt I can sing, but I'll try for you. But yeah, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys can stay, and I hope you like and subscribe, and I need ideas on what to post. I have some ideas, but can I keep them low-key? No, I'm just kidding. But oh, excuse me. But yeah, help me out, because I am bored and I don't know what to do with my life. So I hope I can make you guys laugh, and yeah, because I'm probably one of the stupidest people alive and clumsiest. Very clumsy. But welcome to my channel. I hope you guys can stay and enjoy whatever the future has for this channel that I don't even know what's gonna happen to it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Comment what kind of videos you guys want to see, and like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next video that I don't know what it's gonna be. So bye.